And everybody's got a little hole in the middle. Everybody doesn't.
I told you I wasn't gonna hurt anyone. But you are really pushing your luck. Dale, get the duffel bag. We're out of here.
Oh my God. I thought I'd lost you.
Me too. My legs are shaking.
Vince, you can't try to fight these people. I know why you did it, but you just can't.
Who knows where they were gonna take you? I have to keep you and Zoe safe. I have to, you know?
Brave is good. Dying is bad, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Daddy, did they hurt you?
Oh, sweetie, I'm fine. 2 days from now, we'll be in St. Louis, and it'll be like none of this ever happened.
Guys, we're not going anywhere.
Fuck!
It's Dante. He'll get us out of here.
You got more faith in him than I do.
This is Sheriff Romero of the Two Rock County Sheriff's Department. But you assholes know that already. The good news is, in Arizona, burglary is a Class 3 felony. You can practically get off with a warning. The bad news is, you dipshits broke into my house with my goddamn wife home.
Jay, check they can't get in the back.
You people are smart, you'll save me some trouble and just give yourselves up. Keep the ringer on in there. I'm gonna call you to negotiate your surrender.
We're not talking with this asshole. Right?
Dante will get us out. He's too strong-minded for his own good half the time, but he gets things done.
You sound like you know him pretty well.
It's a small town. Everyone knows everyone. Wonder if he knows Ash isn't here tonight.
Ash is your son?
Yeah. Best thing I ever did.
We're sitting ducks here. I say we stick to the plan. Take our chances with a hostage. The back gate's chained up. There's no way in. Tyler, I don't know. Maybe we should just give ourselves...
Don't say it. Romero's impatient, and these small-town cops couldn't catch a cold. Our best move is to wait.
Is someone gonna get that?
The police are gonna catch you and put you in jail.
You cut it out or I'll put you in a corner.
Hey! You can't talk to my granddaughter like that.
She's 6 years old. She's just speaking her mind.
Yeah, I'm speaking my mind.
Enough! Next person who talks is going in the back office.
There's a second phone back there. If you could reach Dante without them knowing.
You're not gonna put anyone in that office.
Believe me, I will.
No offense, but I think you're just hot wind.
All right, that's it. Into the back.
No. Don't separate us. He'll stay quiet.
Michelle, it's fine.
It's not fine. None of this is fine.
I think you both need a little timeout. Jay, make sure nobody answers the damn phone. Keep your mouth shut, and don't make me come in here again.
sheriff calls again.
Good thinking. Can you get your hands free?
It's no good. It's too tight.
All right. How do we do this?
Friction, maybe?
Or we use scissors.
Or we use scissors.
Think you can knock that pen holder to the floor?
That's it. It's gonna fall. Try to cover the noise.
I'll cough. On 3. 1, 2.
If it's the cops, they're gonna keep calling.
Can you reach the scissors? Quick! I'll block the door.
I'm in the Desert Dream Motel. Can you connect me directly to the sheriff?
This is Sheriff Romero. Who am I talking to?
My name is Vincent Walker, and my family, we're hostages in here.
Whoa, slow down there, Vince. Now, I can help you. But you gotta relax those nerves first, all right?
I may not have much time.
I get it. So what can you tell me about what's going on in there?
Joyce and Paul are both doing okay.
Yeah, Joyce is tough. I always told her she could have been a cop if she wanted. How about a kid?
He's at a friend's house, I think.
Oh, that's good. What else?
You're good. Keep going.
The people doing this, there's 3 of them. The manager said they're the Holt boys?
Oh, no shit. Well, that explains a few things.
Yeah? Like what?
It's a long story. But tonight's gonna be the end of it.
Hey! They've blocked the door!
Shit! Vince, this door won't hold.
The one calling the shots, I think his name's,
Tyler?
Tyler.
That's right.
He's coiled up pretty tight. I worry what's gonna happen if something sets him off.
Yeah, I would have called him the one with the cool head. If Tyler's losing it, you need to be careful.
I'm almost out of time.
Listen, Vince, we're gonna put an end to this thing. And sooner than you think. Just keep your eyes open, okay?
Next time you talk to one of my hostages behind my back, I take him to the window and shoot him. Keep your people 30 yards from the motel and don't call us again. What did you tell him?
Nothing. I didn't have time.
You're lying to me.
He's not. They barely said hello.
These cops, they might work for the county, but they are loyal to him, and he does not care about any of us.
And you do?
Leaving you two alone together was a dumb idea.
Let go! That hurts!
You should never have come to Two Rock.
So, let's see. 12 years as a flight mechanic. Pretty high up. Then, one day, bam. Bits of engine all over the hangar. 2 workers hospitalized and another in the morgue. All because you left a lug nut loose on a DC-10.
No, that wasn't me. It was a faulty compressor disc. The airline was cutting corners. I kept warning them, but...
It's still your word against theirs. My advice, sign the form. Take the money It's a generous offer.
It's a gag order. If I sign that, it's professional suicide. Look, keep the check. It won't even cover my rent for a year. All I want is my job back.
Mr. Walker, with all due respect, you'll never work for an airline again regardless. Now, do yourself a favor. Pick up the pen.
You could stick your gag order and your pen right up your ass.
Oh, so you do got a little fight left in you, huh?
Shit. Hello?
Sorry. Probably busy packing. I just picked Zoe up from swimming. We'll be home soon. Everything okay?
Oh, yeah. I just had the strangest dream. I was back in the lawyer's office.
A dream? At this time of day?
While I was packing, like dreaming about our new life in Missouri.
As long as everything's boxed up and in good shape for the landlord. I know this move is a big step and tons of stress, but I've got a really good vibe about it, Vince. We'll be back by 7. I'm just gonna pick up Chinese. Zoe! Sorry, gotta go.
Sure, okay, but... I can't believe I fell asleep. All right, big man. You got until 7 to get this apartment ship-shape and ready to go. Where do you want to start? All right, dish is done. I guess some dreams never get off the ground. Yeah, we're good. We're good. What's next? Seems like I'm packing my whole world away. So long, Sacramento. Who needs the Gateway Arch? I always had my best view right here.
Daddy!
Hi, Pumpkin. How was your last day?
Okay, I guess. Millie gave me her address, but I'm gonna miss her.
No, I hear you. It's a big change for everyone.
We'll write to her as soon as we get to St. Louis.
Okay, gotta help Mommy now. Why don't you run upstairs and get your PJs on?
Are you gonna put me to bed tonight?
Sure thing, kiddo.
I know you worked hard today, so I got you your favorite.
Shrimp.
By the way, did the moving company call?
Nope. Hey, I know I said I was nearly done, but,
What happened?
I tried, really. I just didn't realize how much was still left to do. And as for the AC, that shouldn't be our responsibility anyway.
I'm with you. I just know what our landlord's like. You break it, you fix it.
I'm sorry, hon, I meant to. I just couldn't figure it out.
Are you feeling okay?
I'm fine. Just that dream I had about the... You know what, never mind.
You remember what you told me when I got laid off from the tax office?
Make sure you empty the stationery cupboard on your way out?
No. You told me that change only hurts when you try to stop it happening. And you were right. If I hadn't gotten laid off, I would never have finished my PhD application or gotten my job at the university.
I get it. Focus on the positives.
God, I'm starving. Zoe's already eaten, but I haven't had a chance all day.
I'll get her ready for bed while you get noodled up. Come on. Let's get your jammies on. So, how are you feeling about the move tomorrow? Looking forward to it?
I dreamed that the movers took my star lamp, and I was so scared because I never sleep in the dark.
Hey, you know what? I had a bad dream recently. About something I can't get off my mind and I wish I could.
Was it about the dark?
No, but the thing about dreams is maybe sometimes they're trying to tell us something.
Like what?
We all have things that scare us, like the dark. And that's okay. I guess we just learn to live with it until maybe one day we won't be afraid anymore.
So when I'm older, I might not even need my star lamp.
Try to sleep. Okay. Love you all the way to the moon.
Love you too.
This moving company better show up tomorrow. How hard is it to send a confirmation message? Settled already? Well done. I'd better go kiss her goodnight before she drops off.
Well, there you go. I bet that's them right now. Who's Bruce?
Why did the lights go out?
It's a power outage. We get them all the time here.
It's no outage, it's the damn sheriff. Dale, keep a lookout. On it.
I need to get the hell out of here.
I don't like the dark. Please, make it stop.
Jake, take her upstairs and keep her quiet.
Okay, that's the desk.
And make sure the windows are
Hairpin.
locked.
Could be useful.
Jake, now. Come on. I'll take care of you. You. I think got out the generator.
Not getting out that way.
There's one out back, but it doesn't work. So I suppose I could try the manual transfer switch.
Hey!
Don't do it.
I can't believe that actually worked.
You see anything? Nah. Too dark out there. I can barely see us.
Get some rope. We should tie up the hostages. Hey, did you hear something?
I'll check the back door.
Zoe's up there. She's scared of the dark.
They're coming for you. You know that, right?
Shut up, Joyce. I'm serious.
Should we run? Take our chances cross country?
Just keep quiet. Let me think.
Zoe, it's me, Pumpkin. It's Daddy.
Don't speak. Don't make a sound. We have to stay real quiet. There. That one came from the hall.
Why are we hiding?
Because I don't know what else to do.
Hey, it's me. It's Vince. I'm coming in.
Daddy!
I didn't hurt her. I promise.
I know. I heard. Zoe, you okay?
Daddy! I don't want to be here anymore.
Hey, remember what I told you? It's okay to be scared. But it's almost over now, I promise.
How do you know?
Because I have a sixth sense about these things.
Do you think they're gonna try to come in?
They're probably just checking things out. They're not gonna try anything.
You think?
Yeah. You're cool. Listen, I'm gonna get us out of here before the lights come back on. Okay?
With Mommy and Grandpa?
Of course. We won't leave them behind. You guys all right?
Oh, you found her. Thank God.
Where are the Holts?
I think they went out the back.
We need to get out of here. Give me your wrists. Are you hurt?
No. Are you? Okay, go!
Everybody down!
Don't shoot! We're hostages!
Stay down and don't move. Where are the perps? Shit! Run for the door! I'll cover you!
Gotta fall back! Go!
Sanchez!
Jesus Christ.
Come on, it's now or never.
We won't make it!
Vince, we need to go.
It's too dangerous.
I'm not dying in this goddamn motor lot.
What the hell are you doing? Grandpa!
Sanchez is hit! I knew this was a bad idea.
Fall back! Fall back!
Hold fire! Repeat, hold your fire!
I said 30 fucking yards! You try that again, and every last one of them leaves in a body bag!
Jim, Jim, can you hear me?
Oh, jeez. All right. Okay.
Vince?
Is Grandpa hurt?
I don't know, honey.
Jim, are you okay? Dad! He needs an ambulance. Get him an ambulance!
He looks all right. Maybe just a concussion.
It's not just that. He's got a brain tumor. If he got hit in the wrong spot or something.
Shit. You still with us, Grandpa?
Oh, God. This is all my fault. If I hadn't been so hell-bent on making amends.
Hey, are you with us? Jim, how do you feel?
My head's throbbing. Is Eddie okay?
Who?
I'll be all right. I just need a minute to get my...
Easy now.
He needs to see a doctor.
How'd you get caught so quick, huh? The cops, I didn't have time to hide. Lucky you got me around to bail you out.
Dale, go see if you can barricade the second floor. What? No, stop. You listen to me. What I want is a helicopter or I start killing hostages. That's right. And safe passage to Mexico.
Mexico? Since when?
Since now.
Look, you boys are in way over your heads. You couldn't even nail a burglary. Now you want a helicopter?
Spare me the lecture. Can you do it?
I'll look into it. First, I need a show of faith. Let one of the hostages go.
I ain't much of one for faith.
All right. So let's make it practical. You must be hungry for a hot meal. All right. How about we send you food, you release a hostage, and then I start on that helicopter. Does that work?
Pizza. Enough from that shitty joint in town. Franco's. Veggie Delight.
Give me 20 minutes.
Good news, folks. One of you's going home.
Finally got confirmation from the movers. Tomorrow morning. Good to go. At least we get one last California sunset. "13 years ago, I couldn't wait to leave St. Louis. First person in the family to go to college. My mom. I'll never forget that look of pride as she waved me goodbye. But you know what? I never realized how proud I'd feel to be going back. I just wish it didn't involve so much stuff. Ugh. Is there anything more stressful than moving?
There is. I don't want to know.
Well, this time next week, we'll be in our new place. Zoe will have a yard to run around in. We just have to survive 3 days in the car with your father first. Anyway, tonight is our last night. And it seems so long since we, you know. So, how about we make it one to remember?
By the way, you got a message. Something about cupcake?
Why did you... Vince, You've been reading my messages?
I was checking to see if it was the movers.
I didn't say you could spy on me. Some things are private. It'll wake Zoe. Hello? Well, thank you. It's been nice working with you, too. Oh, I'm sure you'll all do just fine without me. Good luck to you, too. Bye. Someone from the university.
The one you just left an hour ago?
What can I say? My colleagues miss me already.
Colleagues like Bruce.
Yes, like Bruce. Why does it even matter?
Daddy?
Zoe. Hey, you should be in bed.
I couldn't sleep, even with my star lamp on. Daddy,
Yes, sweetie?
we'll always live together, right? You, me, and Mommy?
Why would you ask that?
Hannah's parents used to argue, and now they don't get to live together anymore.
Don't worry, honey. We're not doing that. So, this Bruce dude.
Oh, he's just one of the macroeconomics lecturers. We did some research together on the Ecuador financial crisis. There isn't much else to say.
It's just strange. How first he texted you, then called your cell, then called the house.
He missed the farewell drinks and wanted to say goodbye. He was just being nice. Let's forget about all this. Don't let it ruin our last night. We've got a long few days ahead of us.
No. Something about it doesn't add up. You've been working late, more than usual.
Because I'm changing schools. I need to leave on a high note.
You know, last week you said that you had to stay in grade papers, but you came back smelling of wine and perfume.
Look at me. Vince. I know things have been hard. This last year wasn't a great one for us, but nothing happened between me and Bruce. Can you please believe me?
Michelle, every bone in my body tells me you're sleeping with this guy.
Now you're being ridiculous.
All right, then give me your cell phone.
What?
I want to have a look at your messages. Have you got something to hide?
No. Of course not.
So what's the problem? What's the matter?
It was a mistake. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh, God. I was right.
I don't know what to tell you. It just happened.
It just happened. You made a choice, Michelle. You chose to do this. Jesus.
You don't need to raise your voice at me. It was stupid. After the accident, you were so... Neither of us were in a good place, and he was... I don't know. He was there.
How many times have you slept with him?
What difference does it make?
How many times?
I don't know. 2 or 3?
Well, was it 2 or was it 3?
It was 3. Look, it was just sex. That's honestly all it was.
You betrayed me, Michelle. However you try to justify this to yourself.
No, don't say that. Please. I felt so rejected. You haven't touched me in months. You haven't looked at me. When was the last time we even watched a movie together? When you lost your job. This wall went up. You pretend everything's fine, that you don't need to talk, but the wall just gets higher and higher, brick by brick. And I missed you, okay?
How dare you turn this back on me?
I'm just trying to make you understand. Look, I know you're hurt and angry, but I can't undo what I did. You want revenge? Have a one-night stand.
That's not the point. I don't want to sleep with anyone else. I want you.
Vince, I did a stupid thing. It was meaningless, but it happened, all right? If I could take it back, I would. Will you at least sit down so we can talk this through?
You're not the woman I married. You just look like her.
Vince, I'm worried about your dad. Head injuries, bad enough on their own, but if he's got something up there pushing against his brain...
How's he doing?
In pain. But he wants Zoe to be the one sent out. And Vince, he's right. We've seen what these people are capable of. Please, just get her somewhere safe.
Okay, I got your veggie pizzas. We want to get them while they're hot, so send me a hostage.
Come on, old man. You going for a walk?
Not me. Please. Take Zoe. There's nothing wrong with me.
I don't care who goes, but only one of them.
It's gotta be Zoe. She's seen enough for one night.
Fine. Take her out, grab the food, come on back. I'm watching you, Vince.
I I know this is scary. But you're gonna have to be a brave girl out there, okay?
I will.
Come on, kiddo.
Hey, look. You dropped this.
Her name's Owl.
Owl, huh? You know they can see in the dark.
Thanks.
Okay, they're coming out. Stay right where you are.
I've got eyes on 2 hostages. One male, one female child approaching from the front of the building. Over.
Daddy, is Grandpa going to die?
The answer's no. Because I'm here. And you know what I am?
An aircraft mechanic?
You're supposed to say superhero. Anyway, I promise no one from our family is gonna die.
That's far enough.
I'm Sheriff Romero. And I guess you must be Vince. Best if we make this quick.
Be brave for me, okay?
I don't want to be brave. I want to be with you.
Well, how about you stay with me?
Put the kid in the vehicle. Stay with her.
Daddy, please, don't go.
I have to, Pumpkin.
But what if you don't come back?
I'm gonna be fine, Zoe. You'll see. We'll all get out of here and be back in the car in no time.
When we get to St. Louis, can we still go see the arch?
Oh, you bet. In fact, we can drive straight there.
Hey, hurry it up.
Come on, kid.
Give him the food and send him back in.
I know how hard this must be for you, Vince. But I've got good news.
Yeah?
We're about to have a man on the inside.
Hang in there, buddy. We're rooting for you. Now pick him up and don't do anything stupid.
Hey, don't forget the napkins. Two-way pager. I'll be in touch soon. Enjoy your pizzas.
Hey, it's the pizza guy. You're late. No tip. Well, what do you know? A cop kept his word.
Pizza ain't hard. A helicopter, though.
Look, I know you didn't want this, but you got Romero wrapped around your finger. You do.
I really hope you're right.
I spent 10 years saving up for this place. Ash only just started to feel at home. How can we stay here now?
We'll give the walls a fresh coat of paint. Replace the glass, you'll see. It'll be good as new.
It's not the walls. It's what happened within them. Vince, is Zoe okay?
She's fine. How's your head?
Throbbing, but I think I'm gonna live. So, did you meet the sheriff out there?
Yeah, you could say that.
What's he like?
Clever guy. Plans within plans, if you know what I mean.
I'll tell you something I learned early on in life. Never trust a cop.
You want my take? Steer clear. Now, don't share this, but Dante's a cousin of mine, and him being sheriff, ain't no one in the family thought that was a good idea.
What are you doing?
I'm counting out cash.
Jay, you gonna eat?
Not hungry. I want it to be over, Tyler. All of it.
It'll be over when we win. You remember that? And do your part. You need some goddamn food.
Hey, you want to share that with the rest of us?
Nope. Don't think I do.
Are you serious?
Are you deaf? No, you can't have any.
What do you mean we can't have any? There's 6 pizzas.
For us. So back the fuck off.
You asshole. Paul has low blood sugar.
It's fine. I'll eat from the vending machine.
No. I said no. The answer's no.
Come on, man, just share the food.
Here you go, getting all up in my shit again. Why should I? Huh?
Isn't it worth a few slices to shut everyone up?
If I wanted to shut them up, I'd just fucking do it.
They giving you problems?
Nah, I got this.
Shit, sorry.
Idiot. Clean it up. You know what the trouble with you is? You get too fucking involved. If you just stayed quiet to begin with, we'd be gone by now.
Never thought of it like that.
What you don't get is, this ain't us. We needed money, but it's not like Tyler. He built shit. You know, Jay's into nature. Me? Yeah, I robbed the liquor store once, but I'm getting a job soon. There's this girl I got my eye on it.
It's not here.
Though, why Jessica would date me after this shit, I got no idea.
Sounds like some hard shit, man.
Oh, fuck you.
No, I'm being serious. I see your point.
Well, whoop-de-fucking-do. You see my point. Hallelujah.
Hey, I was just trying to,
What? Feel sorry for me? Go fuck yourself, asshole.
So, does that mean no pizza? I don't think pizza's happening, guys.
Oh, I wasn't hungry anyway.
You got my helicopter?
Yeah, I got it. The FAA's cleared you to cross between Mexicali and El Paso. Now, before I authorize the landing, I want to have a talk about why you picked my house.
Face to face, out front, or there's no deal.
What's he playing at? Some kind of trap?
Maybe. But right now, we need to play his game.
How about I go? I got some things I could say to him.
No way. I told Ma I'd look after you.
It's all right. I put my big boy pants on today.
You mess with us, it's the hostages who pay.
You'll be fine. You have my word.
Pizza boy, you and I going for a stroll.
Hey, tell Dante he better get us out of here.
You have to hold me so tight?
It's not my fault your neck's so fat.
I'm coming out!
Goddamn. I can't wait to be on a beach somewhere. Eating tamales, drinking tequila.
You're almost there. Just keep a cool head.
Cool head, right. You sound like Tyler.
Come on, please make it back.
Guess who?
Dale Holt. I was expecting your brother.
Merry fucking Christmas.
Vince. Didn't think I'd see you again so soon.
Well, that's reassuring.
You know, you were small time before today. That ugly assault a couple summers back. Some petty theft. Oh, but now look at you. You boys sure have made a name for yourselves.
I'll do you one better, jackass. I pissed in your lemonade.
Anyway, I believe you have something of mine.
Yeah. Your money.
Not the money. My black book. Where is it?
The fuck are you talking about?
Don't play games with me!
One step closer and I blow his fucking head off, I swear.
Tell me where it is.
I told you already. I don't know anything about that.
Have it your way.
Sniper!
Damn it! Take him out!
We're going back inside. Go! Go!
Holy fucking shit! Jesus Christ.
He's got a sniper on the fucking water tower. We ain't getting that chopper, are we?
Vince!
It's okay. I'm all right. Oh.